Dali na, dali na. Tuloy mo lang. Ano yan? Hindi yung mga dapat dito lang. Ay, bagay sa akin.
Tapos, wala sa ano. Tapos pag gumanangla ko lang yung emosyon ako. Nakalimutan ko. May sayo si Casey.
Na-focus sa buhay.
Bakit na ba? May sayo pa. Wait lang kasi. May sayo ko na si Casey yung ganun-ganun, no? Tapos sa ganun.
Ay, so gagawin tayo. Ganon.
Kaya nyo na yan. Kaya nyo na yan.
Mas sexy po. Ano yan? I'm sexy.
Alam ko na pa. Alam ko na.
Batak na batak. Sige, kaya mo yan.
Yan, nakangawit din ako.
Interview. Okay, Miss Nelly Pascua, please proceed. Past tense. Okay. What name do you want me to call you? What name do you want me to call you? Miss Manager Karriere, what name do you want me to call you?
My name is...
What name do you want me to call you?
What name?
Yes, what name?
You know.
British accent.
What's your fucking name?
What name do you want me to call you?
Ma?
Answer it.
Sabi mo,
Okay, next question, please.
Okay. Are you happy to die?
Tell me something about
Are you
yourself.
happy to die? Myself?
Tell me something about yourself. Yes, about yourself. No, myself. That's why I said yourself. Nobody na.
I am Mary Jo Cañete. Ay, di ba? Ninalibre din.
Bobo.
Tanga.
Next question.
Talagang pa ni address ni Tado.
Kabubuhan na. What is your strength and weakness? Tell me.
My strength is my punch. If I'm going to punch in the face, you're gonna feel my strength. My weakness is my knees. Because, you know.
It's hard, you know.
It's so tiring.
What kind of interview is this? I don't know why I'm going.
Me too.
I don't know why you're here. You get up, finish it. Go ahead. Go.
You go first. Then you go dance. You and I.
Come on. Next.
I'm going to Arizona. You ako na puta na ako.
Alisa, kapag da, Durante?
What's your fucking problem?
Come on.
What's your fucking
Please,
problem?
please. Okay,
You're fired.
Next. Batot no? May video, Maro. Batot Batot mo.
Buyoy yan pala, buyoy.
Miss Ma, katina pala ko na sa tiyaga.
Wait. Santiago. Okay, Miss Angeset na na. Walang toma. Luneta.
Pantig po.
No? No! You're in Toma Pantig.
Duh! I'm only pantig.
With Jeffrey the drummer.
Pakalan siya eh. May video! Cut nyo yan! Cut nyo yan, di ko upload yan. Okay.
Well, you're so reacting naman kasi.
No, I'm not reacting something like that because I love. Next.
You must imitate Boy Pick Up. Boy Pick Up versus Mikey. Wait, pare, you're so
The Filipino family is not complete without a tito boy or a tita baby. Just like si Charon ni Mangwan, sukang paumbong. Dapat, if you're going to speak English,
Your girl
you
Bucket, you know. And I'm Mikey Bustos, your girl Bucket, and he's the Boy Pick Up.
wait, if you're going to speak,
Ayun na,
if
sa'yo na
you're
kayo.
going to
Huwag ka na.
talk,
Yeah.
you should speak Filipino.
Lapit mo dun sa camera.
Eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something about your face.
Sira sa pau.
It's with you, girl, we connect like we were. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you I don't know why I'm drawn to you. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Share with you another as you try. Like sunny shade, honey days, and you and I be like Valentine's. kayo, saluhin nyo lang, ha?
Lagyan din namin yung salitang
Toti,
buntis, ah.
labas ka na ng palaman.
Pagod ka.
Pagbilat ko kayo dyan, ha?
Dinudugo. Dinudugo.
Dali niyo na.
Hospital lang.
Halika dito. Halika dito. Video ka. At ipakita ang bebe.
Pagod
Ipakita
na.
ang bebe. Ako ang ama. Posible ba yun? Ako ang ama. Nakapain ka. Ako buntis. Ikaw buntis. Yes.
May tumatawag. Yes. Hindi ko alam sasagot. Pauwi na ako. Tapos yan.
1 minute
Mama,
pa.
nasa TV na po ako. Dito ako YouTube.
Annyeong.
Ano?
Ano sa'yo? Ano ka? Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo? Ito sa akin. Pakyo kayo.
Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo?
Ito ako. Ano sa'yo? Pakyo.
I love it. I'm sexy and I know it. Know it. May tumatawag talaga eh. Tapos. Uwi na tayo? Good girl ako, manong. Manong tawag